We're going to show you how to fit a Blanco mixer tap using the Blanco Alta S Compact with spray hose in our demonstration. You will need a set of water pump pliers, spanners in sizes 14, 19 and 22 mm, and a Phillips screwdriver. Your sink has a tap hole for the mixer tap with the standard diameter of 35 mm. First, prepare the mixer tap so that it fits tightly over the tap hole. Insert the seal in the recess on the underside of the mixer tap and press down firmly on all sides. After threading the pipes through, the mixer tap must be absolutely level and centered on the sink. Secure the tap by tightening the assembly kit under the worktop using the water pump pliers. Insert the seal that was included in the delivery into the connecting piece of the shower connecting hose and attach it to the shower hose. Use the water pump pliers and the 14 mm spanner. Then apply the weight to the shower hose. We recommend rinsing through the angle valves so that no foreign bodies that might be in the mains network can damage the inside of the cartridge. Position a bucket or other container underneath. Connect a woven fabric pipe and open the angle valves for about 30 seconds. When you've rinsed through the angle valves, insert the dirt filters and seals. Ensure that the pipes are not bent or looped, but as straight as possible. Then attach the connecting pipes. Open the angle valves and make sure that the connection does not leak. Your Blanco mixer tap is now correctly installed. We support our customers and partners in all service matters and with technical information. In the event of any questions or if you require any spare parts, please make a note of the 11-digit item number which you'll find on a label on your mixer tap's cold water pipe. It's easy to order spare parts via the service online system. Please visit our website for further information.